morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fit and fine. I hope everyone is doing great. So, kids, I hope now you are clear with the chapter The Robber Crow. We have seen how Robber Crow turned into a helpful crow, how he helped Ruchi to eat food. Now, today we'll start with grammar topic. First, synonym, and second, being verb. First, we'll start with synonym. Let's start. So as I said, first we are going to do about synonyms. Synonyms means word which mean the same but used differently. For example, if I say happy, happy means khushi. So we'll use another word for happy like joyful, delighted, excited. Same way with sad, unhappy, upset, or you can use true. True means correct, right. So now we'll start with exercise. Shall we start? Let's start. Start with worksheet 5.2. It's the exercise of synonyms. First we'll read this conversation. Boy say, I saw a dog running very fast. Girl say, you mean it was swift. Boy say, yes, super fast. The word swift and fast means the same thing in the dialogue you just read. Can you find another word that means the same as fast? Explain you. Just look at the question. For the answers I have prepared the PPT. Look. Shall we start? Let's start. Let me explain you about synonyms. Synonyms are words that are similar or have related meaning to another word. For example, happy, joyful, sad, unhappy, right, correct, clever, smart. In the question of worksheet 5.2, now we'll discuss the answer. A. Write another word that means the same as the one below. You can choose from the box. In bracket it is given big, chilly, clever, tiny, kind, silent. So first, cool, chilly, smart, clever, quiet, silent, small, tiny, large, big, caring, kind. Read the sentences and note the bold words. Choose another word with the same meaning from the words given. In bracket it is given shout, pebble, leap, road, large. First, I ate the big apple. So for big we will write large. Second, please don't yell. For yell we will write shout. Third, I threw a rock in the lake. For rock we will write pebble. Fourth, your frog can jump very far. For jump we will write leap. Fifth, I can run down the street. For street we will write road. Match the words that mean the same in the columns. Wealthy, rich, hard, difficult, fire, flame, trip, voyage, right, correct. I hope now you are clear with synonyms. Synonym means the word which means same but used differently. Now we'll start with being verb. Shall we start? Let's start. Before telling about being verbs, I would like to tell you about verbs. Verb means to show any action or to do any work. There are some verbs which does not show any action but they are helpful in sentence. Let me show you. First, is a helping verb. It is used with singular noun or pronoun he, she, it. Am is also a being verb. It is used with I. Are is also a being verb. It is used with plural or we, you, they. Was and were also being verb. Was is used with he, she, I, it. Were is used with we, you, they. Shall we start the exercise? Let's start. Also explain you about being verbs. We know that verbs shows action. However, there are some verbs that do not show any action. Instead, they show that things are. For example, is, am and are. Mr. Bose is the principal of our school. He is sick. The apples are sweet. These are the being verbs. Is used with the singular noun or the pronouns he, she and it. Am is used with the pronoun I. Are is used with the plural noun or the pronouns we, you, they. Just look at the question in the box. Now with is, what goes we will write. Same with am and are. B. Fill in the blanks using is, am or are. Shall we start? Let's start. Helping verbs. As I have already explained you about helping verbs, we know verbs shows action. However, there are some verbs which do not show any action. They are used to show things. It is used with singular noun or pronoun like he, she, and also used with it, animal, non-living thing. Am is used with the pronoun I. Are is used with the plural noun or pronoun like we, you, they, those, etc. In the blanks using the words from the box. In bracket it is given Jimmy, we, you, Sparrow, those, she, Pam and Sally, it, I, they, he, the pen, this. With is we will use Jimmy, she, it, he, the pen, Sparrow. With am, I. With are, we, you, those, Pam and Sally, they, this. Fill in the blanks using is, am or are. First, I dash a teacher. With I we will use am. So we will write I am a teacher. She dash a doctor. With she we will use is. So we will write she is a doctor. Neha dash a student of history. Neha is a singular person. So we will write is. This dash Trisha's umbrella. We will write this is Tisha's umbrella. We dash students. We are used for plural, so we will write are. Explain you about was, were also. Was, were is also being verb. For example, it was a cold day. Those were my friends. Was, were talk about the past. Was is used with I, a singular noun or the pronouns he, she and it. Were is used with the pronouns we, you and they. The question. For the answer, I have prepared the PPT. Shall we discuss? Let's start. Verb was and were. They are used in past tense. Was is used with singular noun or pronoun like I, he, she, it. Were is used with plural noun or pronoun like we, they, you. 5.5. Fill in the blanks using was or were. I dash surprised to see you. Was. They dash visiting China last year. Were. She dash in the park yesterday. Was. We dash at home last night. Were. I dash 2 years old in 2013. Was. Kids, we have done with synonyms. We have done with being verbs. Please revise the grammar topics. Refer our video. I'll end my session here. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Stay safe. Stay at home.